Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Notepad++ in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Notepad++. We'll be having the official link. Click it, and here to the left we'll be having the download option. Click here, and here we'll be having the download option. Select it. The setup file will be downloaded within a flash. Just open it, and we'll be getting the installer. Just select the language of your choice, select OK, and click on next, agree. This is going to be the default location. If you want to change it, click on browse and change the disk where you want to install. Select new folder. I will just go with Notepad++, just name it whatever you want. Select that folder and click on OK. That's it. Select next, and these are fine. Click on next. I need a desktop shortcut. I will have that, and click on install. And that's it. Make sure that you're checking this and click on finish. And as you can see here, we are having Notepad++ opened. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.